Okay, guys, let's welcome back to the Trade with Crazy 10.4 revision time. Let's look into yesterday's market and see what can we learn from yesterday's trading, and then make sure that we do not make the mistake, or we make sure that we continue a good habit of doing what you're supposed to do. Yeah. Okay, let's go. All right, so yesterday we saw the Dow Jones continue to go down, and one thing to note was yesterday was that we mentioned this DJDD, and we said that if the market is DJDD, you just need to be very careful. The market may go directional, and of course we can see that the Dow initially opens and then it trade up to the pivot one. But we all know that pivot one is a form of resistance. Once the market hit resistance and had to come down, it's a sell, right? And that's what we sell. And because the KSI is red, the KCX is actually extreme, so the selling pressure was strong. And I did say that yesterday the Dow Jones can actually go down all the way to 40,742 because of the pivot 2 level. I said that yesterday. Not too sure if you pick it up. Okay, so let's see what happened through the day. First, it was sideways for most part of the day, and then it began to trade lower. And the same thing again, you can see that the diamonds are getting lower over here. All right, that's the typical sell down sign. And the market gave the KTR -1 at the start of the day. So that was where I made my first profit. Then after that, the market did try to go below KTR -1, which I thought that it would go down further. But after a while later, I see that it couldn't go down and a new diamond appeared. So I thought that by drawing another line here, I should be able to see a new going down again. But one thing to note is that after I done that, after I draw a line here, so I realized that the market couldn't go down anymore. And the KSI began to turn green color. I said, oh dear. So I quickly cover my short position. I took a loss. And then over here, I flipped back to the long position again, even though that is below OP. But remember, as long as you do risk assessment, you have the bar yellow, you have the white line assisting you, you have the KSI green, all these KCX black, right? All of this can help you to give you a decision. So I bought here, right here, and I put my stop loss. Okay, so I put a stop loss, okay? And then after that, I bring it up all the way. And then when it hit the pivot one, I realized that it again got a diamond there. I quickly realized this thing again. So I put a line across it, and I know that the market couldn't go above it. And that was where I cut away this long position, and I flipped to the short again. And after that, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. And finally, when it breaks below the KTR -1, I saw the whole thing sort of collapse, where you have the bar red, KSI red, KCX blue. Then that was where I know that the market's going to go down further. I let it drop down to different level here itself, KTR2 and KTR3. Now, honestly, I didn't wait for under here because I don't think it will come down to here, but it really went and it's pivot 2. Then after that, you can see the diamond appear on our screen. You put a line across it, and that is where the first rally began. All right, guys, understand this? If understand this, press the next number right now. For me, the next number, it will be number 7. Yeah, wow, that's very fast. How you, Shafiq? And Nicholas, very fast, yeah? Okay. All right, now I want to share something with you all. Very important. I just added in recently I've been back testing this, so I want you to listen from me, yeah? Okay. So most of us when we trade, when we saw a diamond, all right, we draw the line. And then we buy here, right? Okay, we buy here, right? Okay, you buy anywhere above the white line. Now, where to put a stop loss? Now, some of you chose here, example, or chose here, or chose here, right? A, B, or C, okay? Now, I have been back testing this. I cannot say 100%, but I find a very easier way to talk about stop loss. So what is the answer, right? Is this, okay? Give an idea. Is that first I find a diamond, then I have my white line. I will utilize the candlestick that has the diamond for my stop loss. Can you understand that? So here is where I'll buy. The candlestick that hold the diamond or has a diamond will be my stop loss. So which means that this is my range. So in this particular case itself, right, example, my range was one time given. Then let's say you hold that position and there was no other thing else, and this is a line, this is a stop loss, right? Then this is where you must stop loss already. That means that if you buy here and there's nothing over here for you to get out, then the thing is that once the market comes here, you have to get yourself stop out. All clear? If all clear, press number 8. I'll show you more example to share you. I've been watching this formula for a while already. So let me try again. So same thing, guys. A diamond is here. I put a line to draw. This is where I'm gonna buy. My stop loss will be at the low here as well. Can you see that? That low of the candle that has the diamond will be my stop loss. Okay, got the idea. Okay, got the idea. We go live right now to take a look. Yeah. Okay. So what happened yesterday on gold is that there is the diamond, right? Okay. So this is the line, right? So yesterday this is where I will buy, right? Above OP, I'll buy. Above the line, then my stop loss is here. Yeah. So this is my range, and it's the range itself. If I do it properly, yesterday I'll make back 1 unit from the market. Okay. Now, how about 5 minute chart? Would that be the same? Well, it's supposed to be the same. So let's take a look. Right, but 5 minute chart itself do expect a bit of volatility. Yeah. Okay. So give example right now, right? You see here, this is the diamond on the gold. I draw a line across. I draw a line across it. Okay, draw a line across it. Okay. So I'm supposed to go long, right? But then market goes below. So now I've short the market. So where is my stop loss? Here. This will be my stop loss. Got it? Right? I will short below the white line because now it's below, it's having red color, it's below the line. My stop loss is there. Can you all see it? So my range itself is considered small and my now is so big, right? So if I do a 1x stop loss, just now here got minus 3x already, right? I can take profit anytime already just now. Got it, guys? If all got it, press number 9 right now. Okay, very, very, very simple. Wow, Shafiq's very fast at your fingers. Well, before I can send it, you're already there already. Okay. All right, got an idea. So that is my own personal preferred stop loss lah. But of course, some people say no lah. I want a conventional style. I want to use the low or the thing. Okay, yeah. Okay, so up to you. I'm giving you a suggestion. It's not really part of the syllabus. It's just a suggestion. Okay, yeah. So if you look at the Dow Jones right now, you will see the same thing. Let me just bring a chart to you. Oh, there's no diamonds here now. Cannot be here. Right click, refresh. Okay, on. Oh, here we go. Yesterday's. So yesterday, same thing. You can see the diamond right here. I put a line across it. All right, and then the market is supposed to go down, right? Now this one is because the market go down first, go up first, and then come down. So which means that if I want to short this guy, then I have to wait for it to come down. Then use this guy as a stop loss. If you don't want to use this guy, you can use the nearest highest point, which is this one, stop loss. So it's all dependent on how you see and the diamond formation. Yeah. Okay. So same thing here. If I went long over here, my stop loss will be placed here itself. Okay, and if you say it saved me some money, if I hold onto the position, I'll lose a lot of money from there. And of course, you must do risk management. You must take the amount, the bullet that you have, divided by your range, multiply by your contract value to get your size. Right? You cannot just randomly say, okay, KEL say one, I just here buy 3, then hit here, ayo, stop loss, I lose money, and I'm angry. No, you must use this formula. Bullet divide by range times contract value to get the size. Then you will know that if you lose, how much will you lose, and so forth. Okay? Yeah, must follow this rule. Yeah, you can consider on your own. Okay. Okay, so let's revise yesterday's market continuously. Then this is the gold yesterday. So gold was very, very, very nice. So how did the gold perform yesterday? So gold was basically staggering. Now yesterday someone we talk about the gold, right? So above OP we buy gold and then KTR +1 we take profit. I understand because we are all aiming for the pivot, right? So that's why the market keep on doing one thing. It's like go up only, come back down a little bit. Go up only, come back a bit. Go up a bit. But there's something that you need to take note, guys, is that the market has never traded below OP. So for those people who buy and then cut loss, buy and cut loss, right? I can understand your view because everything back then was already red, blue, so cut loss is understandable. But you should notice one thing that the market has never went below OP. So that is something that you need to remember OP rule. So for me itself, right, I did cut, I did take profit, I just waited, but this is where I really go into it. So let me show you why. So first of all, I draw the line at this blue arrow, blue diamond. Then I know that the KSI is red, KCX is blue, so I know that the upside is limited. So buying itself is going to be a risk. But when this diamond came out, which I draw for you guys in the Telegram group chat, this was where I went in heavy. Why? Because it is a diamond, 4 diamond. 2, there is KSI seen. The KSI has turned bullish. And the KCX was even earlier. The KCX was already earlier. So the thing is this, I noticed that the market has been trying to touch KTR plus one, right, but never hit pivot. So the third time could be lucky, and truth be told, even the pivot. Now this is where I booked my profit. Then after that, the price came down a little bit. But then again, once after that it recovers back, I noticed the gold again got this buying activity at the pivot one. So I went into buying because I know that if I'm wrong, I just cut. If I'm correct, we have a boom town. And truth be told, KTR plus two and KTR plus three were all given. I'll show you my screenshot later. I even took some profit at 2980 later. All right. So all I can say is this is how I can trade with the diamond. Right. If you are not comfortable, you get out first, it's understandable, but you need to cross-check with the KSI for your sizing. Then you will know that which trade will go well, which trade may not go well. Okay, all clear? If all clear, press number 10 right now. Okay. All right, so we do one more quick one revision before we go for today, and um, this is the Hang Seng market. You can see Hang Seng market, right? It's a very clear one. Okay, so there was this Hang Seng four diamonds here. I draw it. Okay, I draw it over here, and then market failed to stay above. So once it go down, I sell here, and then I take my profit along the way. But because KTR minus one, minus two, minus three, all given, so I put my TP level here and see whether or not it can hit there. And true be told, it went to 2, 3, 3, 4, 7. So this short itself gained some money. Of course, when you go lower, right, I want to short further, but just feel that no point because the day chart for Hang Seng is actually bullish positive. And then after that, there's a four diamond. There's a diamond here. You draw the line. Your stop loss itself for buying. If you're buying, your stop loss will be placed at the low, which is here, right? But it's a bit too near, so you can place it right here itself. Okay. All right. And after that, the market stays above the line, and that was where the market recover and reprieve from down there. Okay. So as long as you can see that you just need to draw the line properly, and then the color change over, you just need to buy, you buy. If the market cannot go up, then you sell, you sell. But once it breaks above, you need to cut your losses. You must cut your losses. Okay, guys, that will be all for today's revision. Thank you for all waiting. Now, I repeat myself already. Today for trading, it's not difficult. You just have to follow the rules. Please, I want more of you contribute together, and then we learn together. Yeah. All right, that'll be all for today. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.